Hey guys, it's Trox. Today I'm going to show you how to scan and sync PSM900s, Shure PSM900s, without using Wireless Workbench. And yeah, the best way to do it. I have a lot of success doing it this way, and almost never have needed Wireless Workbench. So that being said, let's get to it. First up, I'm going to show you, I actually have 5 Shure PSM900s, and they are, and I have a 4-channel combiner. So I'm doing a cool trick. I'm not 100% sure that this is the best solution, but it seems to be working great for me. Please leave a comment if it's not supposed to work like this, or if there's some issue that could arise doing it this way. But yeah. So basically, since I have 5, I do all 4 to the normal output. And then on the front here of the PA421 combiner, there's another passive combiner on the front. So you can either link another one of these and get 8 channels total, or what I'm doing is I'm just linking the last channel in to that one. So basically you have this one coming to your A input, and then this one coming to your B input, and then I have my antenna on the AB out, which combines these two, and yeah, it seems to be working good. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure you turn off all of the transmitter signals. It'll turn the blue light off there, because otherwise you'll just be scanning for channels that you're already using up, and they could be clean, and you might want to use those. Alright, so once those are all off, you go to your pack. This is the first pack. Alright, now what we're going to want to do is press and hold down scan. This will do a group scan. Alright, and it's ready for sync. So we take it to the first one, hit sync, and it's synced. Now what we're going to do is, because we don't want another group scan, we want another channel on that same group. So if we just hit scan real quick, it'll go to the next channel on there. So then we go to the next one. Sync. There we go. As you can see, first one is on 488.125, and the second is on 488.1875. In theory, these are supposed to be far enough apart to not have any intermodulation or crosstalk. So we're going to do the same thing again. Hit the scan on here. Sync it to this 4th one. Hit the scan once more. Oh, that was the 3rd one, I mean. Sync it to the 4th one. Scan again. And sync it to the 5th one. Now, as you can see, all of these are on different channels. And this one's our Q, which I have music playing into already. And so this one's already on the Q. So now I turn on the wireless signal, and you will see that you'll see that we got plenty of RF, and we're getting signal. So now I'm going to go for a little walk, show you. This is the extra one that's not going through the normal antenna combiner input. It's going through its own. So I just want to show you that I'm at my house, so it's not a very big place, but we'll go in another room, and you'll be able to see that we're not losing any signal here. Alright, hard to see, but we're in a totally different room. Not losing any signal. It's working great. Yeah, so this one's synced up to the last one. Now what I would do next is keep that way. Grab my next pack. And turn it on. And now I'm going to press sync on here. Do it and see, it'll show that it sent it to the pack. So they're the same number. And we're gonna flip the RF on and we'll get a signal there. You can see here, yeah. We can grab the next pack. Turn it on. Hit sync. Put in front. Sync success. Turn it on.